What's up guys? I have been wanting to upgrade my wheel cover for Tesla Model Y for some time now, and I'm excited to tell you guys about this new wheel cover that I just received from Evbase. Through this video, I will show you guys how to properly install the wheel covers and the new finished look. Those are the Model Y 19-inch Uber Turbine wheel cover in matte black. First thing we have to do is to remove the old cover.
Alright, so in order to take the wheel cover off, all you need to just pull it and it will just pop it off. So let me show you guys. It's really simple. You just have to pull it one side and just work your way out. Make sure you wear some gloves so you can protect your hands. That's it. Really easy. And you can see there's nothing left on there.
This is how the wheels looks like without any wheel covers. Now I'm ready to move to next step, install the new wheel covers. Before installation, first you have to prep the wheel cover by removing the protection foam from the center. Second, you have to install the protection strip on the edge of the cover. It helps to reduce noise and vibration. This process could take a little bit of time, but you have to be patient and properly install the foam strip. You don't want to create any gaps or misalignment. This could defeat the purpose. One thing you have to pay attention is the groove on the wheel cover. You have to make sure it matches the air vault on the tire when you install it. After you align everything, you just have to snap it in. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes for all 4 wheel covers to be installed. At the end, make sure you do a push and pull test to verify it is fully seated on the wheel. For my vehicle, I accidentally damaged the front wheel on the curb in a parking lot. It left some pretty ugly scratches. After you install the new wheel cover, it covers those scratches perfectly. So if your car has any cosmetic issues on the wheel, you can also use this wheel cover to block it. For comparison, the front wheel is the brand new Uber Turbine matte black wheel cover, and the rear wheel is the OEM Gemini wheel cover. I really like the new wheel cover because it gives my car a unique and stylish look. Not only that, you can get those wheel covers for a fraction of the cost for upgraded wheels through Tesla. If you are looking to upgrade your wheel covers for your Tesla, you can use the link in the description. I will also give you guys 15% off with my special promo code SILICON for your purchase. This code works for everything in the website. I'm really happy with the new look of my Tesla Model Y. I hope you guys liked it as well. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time.